up, my YT homies? What it do, what it do, and what it do. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Alethea and I thank you so much for dropping by for a video. So as you can tell by the title, I have the new Juicy Boost Colored Rain palette and I did get it in the book style. Okay y'all, so let me just say this. I kind of sort of hate I got it in the book style. I was trying to do something different, trying to go out of what I'm used to. Instead of getting the flat one, I got the book style, but yeah. Anyway, I'll tell y'all more about that at the end, but if you would like to see this look that I created using this palette, then please continue to watch. So I've already done my eyebrows and I did some color correcting, which was not a good job today, but anyway, we're gonna roll with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes, and I'm going to actually use a primer today versus a concealer. And I am using the Fenty primer. This is my second time using this, so the bottle is not empty. I'm just trying to get some onto the applicator.
In me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love.
So I have that on and I'm not going to set it. Here's the palette. I know I'm going to show it in my intro, but here it is again. And I'm not going to tell you my thoughts on how I feel about getting the book palette right now. I'll wait until the end to tell you how I feel about it. But at any rate, here's the first side of colors. And then as you quote unquote turn the page, here's the second page of colors. And I'm not gonna do swatches because I'm horrible. I'm kind of horrible with swatches. So I'll leave that to the people that do the swatches because they would be so janky, as the creative lady would say. Janky, janky, janky. So let's see, what am I going to put? Let's see, how are we going to do? What are we going to do today? Let's do orange carrot. Let's go into the crease with orange carrot. We just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like. So I'm just going to pat this color all the way in, and then I'm going to blend it. Just pat it on and then blend it, going all the way from my inner crease to my outer crease. Tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding me, and carrying that up. Get a little bit more, and I'm just going to carry it up, not all the way into my brow bone because I am going to put on a brow bone color. But I am just going to lightly carry that color up until it kind of fades into a light orange at the top. All right, and so for my brow bone, I'm just going to put a little bit of my foundation on my brow bone. I'm not going to highlight my brow bone. I just want to keep this matte all the way up. I don't know whether my lid color is going to be matte or shimmer, but I just want to keep my brow bone matte, and so I'm just taking that and rubbing it in with this orange. Alright, so now that we have that, let's see what color. I don't know why, but this cranberry vanilla is standing out to me, this color right here. So I'm just going to take this color and put it over here in my outer crease. I'm just gonna carry that in over to the inner crease just to get a nice blend with that. And I kind of feel like I need to, or I want to warm my outer crease up a little bit, so I'm going to use Kale Yeah. You do get a little bit of kickback from some of the colors. It's not bad, but there is some kickback. I just want to let you know that. And this color right here is super duper pigmented. Super duper. And I'm just going to take this brush to blend the two together. I didn't add any product to it, just picking up the same brush I used earlier just to blend those two together. All right, and so then next, let's see, what do I want to do with this lid? What do I want to do with my lid? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of concealer on my lid to kind of holding me, easy love.
Wednesday night just hang.
I used the wrong brush for that. Don't do that. Don't do what I just did. This is not the correct brush for this. I needed a flat brush. I don't know why I did that. I'll fix it up though. All right, so what I'm going to do is take this color right here. Where is it? This Watermelon Detox. And I'm going to put that on my lid.
I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight.
I started to put a middle color, but I'm gonna keep this like this. See where it goes. And then I think I'm gonna go back into the crease with Berry Beat. I haven't used this color yet. So I put this one in the crease just to blend everything together.
Holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby. We be cruising.
Alright, so I want to go ahead and put my eyeliner on. So now I'm going to put my liner in my waterline, and this is just a black NYX pencil.
Yeah, you my sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with the daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight.
So now what color am I going to put on my waterline? I think I'm going to just go ahead and take this Watermelon Detox, the same one that I put on the lid. I'm going to take this one and put it down on my waterline. In the inner corner, I want to go and add a little different color, and I'm going to take this Lemon Wheatgrass right here. I'm going to use this for a highlighter. I'm actually going to use the same brush. I'm just going to highlight, inner corner highlight, and then I'm going to just put it over here. But I'm also going to take this and I'm going to put it on my waterline. Haven't decided yet whether or not I'm going to put on any falsies, but I know I'm going to put on the Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara because I really do like this mascara. So when I come back, you'll know whether or not I put on lashes. Like I said, I purchased this in the book style. The palette came in a regular flat palette as well as the book style. Now what I did want to do was get the whole set because they had the flat palette, the book style, the umbrella, and the tumbler all for $125. But by the time I was able to get online to order, the whole shebang was sold out because I was going to give away one of those palettes. So I missed out on that. So I'm sorry, I missed out on that. So I can't give it away. But at any rate, I said, well, let me get the book style. I don't have a palette that has 2 layers and that is in a book style. So let me just go ahead and give this a shot, and that is what I did. And because of the OCD person in me, I guess you could say, the person in me that is used to something that kind of likes to stay on what they're used to, this is gonna take some time for me to get used to and get adjusted to, right? So this palette does have, like I said, 2 layers, and there are 12. So this is the second page. I'm just gonna say page. This is the back of the book, and there are 6 highly pigmented mattes. And then this one on the front has, no, not 6, I can't count, 9 highly pigmented mattes. And then on the front you have 6 mattes as well as 3 shimmers. So these 3 are the shimmer colors. So this palette has 9 and 9, 18 colors in it in total. And I'm not going to do swatches, y'all, because I don't think I do so good with swatches. My swatches are just not there. I'm going to practice with doing swatches so I can bring you more swatches, but they're just not there. I will say with some of these colors though, because I've used this palette twice, so I will say with some of these colors it does take some time to build them up to get them to the pigmentation that you want. And with some of them you have to be mindful that you're gonna get a lot of color at one time, so you just have to have a light hand with it. But all in all, I am pleased with the palette. This is my first Coloured Raine palette, and if you don't know, Coloured Raine is a black owned beauty brand, which is what made me decide to go ahead and get this palette to support a black owned beauty brand. So yes, I have this. And with this palette though came this little book right here, and it's so cute, this little Juicy Boost book. And inside the book it does have some cold pressed juice recipes. So if you're someone that needs some juice recipes, some ideas for your juices and things like that, they have a green toxin detox, a citrus immunity booster, a beet apple juice, a carrot pineapple booster, a green flexin. And the green flexin is supposed to be great for weight loss. That's what it says right here. And then the beets and treats, which is also good for weight loss. And then the beet apple juice one, that one says great to treat inflammation. So it just has all these different things right here. So I am going to take advantage and see what's in these recipes and see if it's something that I can see myself dealing with, because some stuff I don't like the taste of, and I'm just not gonna suffer with taste just for a certain benefit. I'm sorry, I'm just not gonna sacrifice taste. But the whole set, the whole shebang was sold out. However, I did manage to snag the umbrella. So let me open this now. I do have the umbrella. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I have not opened it up. And it's a good thing I have this umbrella, because my umbrella, for some reason, it always stays in P's car. And I think that's because every time we go somewhere as together, I might say as a couple. But every time we go somewhere, I don't want to drive. I don't like driving, so we always go in her car. And oh my goodness. And so my umbrella is left in her car. This is too cute. Look at that. It has a yellow handle and it is long. Oh my gosh. And I did use a discount code when I purchased this palette as well as this umbrella. So yes, I did get a discount, but look at it. Oh, wait a minute. This is a sleeve for the umbrella. Ooh. Yes, so this is the umbrella. Girl, you better Coloured Raine. That is just too cute. Y'all know I'm gonna have to go outside and show y'all what this umbrella looks like. I'm not gonna let it up in the house. No, I'm not superstitious, but I'm just not. I'm gonna go outside and take a picture. So anyway, that is that for my Coloured Raine little haul. And like I said, I did, oh, and I asked you guys in the video, which you don't know, but I asked you guys and I said, should I put on lashes or not? I did not put on lashes, so I don't have on lashes with this look. I just have on the Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara, and I definitely love this mascara. So anyway, my wife has made it home and she's talking, so y'all know I gotta go, because my door is open. Y'all go hear everything she says. But anyway, with that being said, I thank you guys so much for coming to check out another video here on my channel. Please do hit that bell for notifications. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe if you have not. And be on the lookout for that 5,000 subscriber giveaway, because I finally hit 5G. Not 5G. 5K. I finally hit 5K subscribers, and I thank you guys so much. So with that being said, until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye.